and in this video we are working on the gift dump truck. Okay, I have already glued my gifts to my insert. So start by laying out your pieces, identifying where everything goes. This gift will just be glued to the front of your card. You have a label here for the sentiment on the back, brake lights and a fender. And I'm going to just use a little bit of my Jumbo Java and kind of dirty up my dump truck a little bit. So you'll notice your three pieces. You have two that have this longer double tab on it. This is the front and the back of your card. The one with two tabs, one on each end, is your insert. Make sure when you go to glue your pieces on that your insert's facing the way that you've glued your panels. So I want this one facing to the right to be my front because I've glued my gifts on my insert that way. So just watch that. And I'm just going to touch the edges of all these pieces just lightly with this same brown, just to kind of soften up these sharp edges a little bit. And do the same to this part of my dump truck. Not too worried about the wheels, as are going to be covered. Okay, and so now that we've got that done, we can glue our panel onto the back. And again, this is for your sentiment. Then you have a bumper. I don't know if dump trucks have bumpers or not, but I put one on. So, and brake lights. There we go. Now on the front, you have your wheels. You just want to make sure you line these up. There we go. Recording. And you have this accent piece, and you just want to give it a little bit of a border all the way around. There's just a small border. I also inked all around this piece. I want to do a little bit more. we go. Then your window. And your front bumper and your headlights also go on. Okay, and then let's just attach these two pieces, front and back. There we go. And the first thing I'm going to do is glue my insert in before I put my gift on the front, because I want to make sure that I position it where I want it to be. Now you'll notice this time when I'm gluing my tab, I am folding it forward and then gluing it to this side. You'll get used to which way you need to do these, out flat or folded, depending on the direction that everything is going. And then I'm just going to add some glue to this tab. There we are. Then I'm just going to put glue here just on the bottom edge of my gift. I'm going to do it about there. So there it is, the dump truck gift card. Thank you.